In the early 90s, the UK experienced the longest period of economic downturn since the Great Depression some 60 years earlier. This was signified by 1992's infamous Black Wednesday and the crash of the pound sterling, which resulted in mass unemployment and social discontent. 1993 marked the end of the recession, and the UK and Ireland experienced rapid economic growth and falling unemployment, which continued throughout the decade. In May 1997, a new Labour government came into power under the leadership of PM Tony Blair, who introduced a number of strategies to cut unemployment, including an expansion of the public sector. The new Labour government focused on NHS reforms. This included the controversial outsourcing of medical services to private health companies. 1991 saw the launch of the Airlight Delta 100, Airlight 91 and Airlight 2003T headset products. The company continued to be awarded prestigious contracts with the MOD, RAF and NATO, and its products were keenly adopted by the emergency services, air traffic control operators, TV and radio stations and national airlines. Throughout this decade, with the backing of the wider Haag-Streit group, the company invested heavily in R&D to design and develop future ophthalmic, respiratory and telecommunication products, and in 1996 this prompted a move to a larger premises in Harlow. With strong growth in peak flow meter sales, due to prescription availability, it became increasingly important to manufacture the Mini Right to a large scale. To meet this objective, CCI invested in automation, installing a Lanco line in the new Harlow premises. CCI started a period of innovation and investment, which saw the development of a range of portable electronic spirometers, the VM1, VMX and VM+. In 1996, the company acquired and integrated the popular Medix range of nebulizers, transferring production to Harlow. It also launched the Able Spacer and Flutter. These important steps laid the cornerstones of the business we see today. In 1996, the company launched the new 904 portable slit lamp. Boasting dual functionality, the 904's ergonomic design enabled both handheld and traditional style examinations. At this time, the company began designing a disposable tonometer prism in response to the threat of cross-infection, specifically HIV and herpes simplex. Launched in June 1998, Tonosafe is a low-cost disposable prism which reduces the risk of infection without compromising the performance of Goldmann applanation tonometers. A global success story, it is now sold worldwide in 137 different countries. In 1998, the company worked closely with Professor Robson, securing an agreement to manufacture and distribute the Pelly-Robson contrast sensitivity chart worldwide. It quickly became and still remains the gold standard and is used to detect early signs of diseases such as Parkinson's, glaucoma and cataracts.